Hey, Greg.
Hey, Kevin.
So you are the guy in charge of repairing all of our windows.
I am at the moment, yes, sir.
Can I grab this for you here?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
You got?
This particular one was upside down and backwards, so.
For real?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we've seen some strange things in this house. It's in pretty bad shape, possibly one of the worst ones in the house.
I would have to agree with you.
So you're going to pop that glass out. All right. And I'm going to take a look at what we've got here. So you are the doctor here, but there are parts of this that probably seem to be okay.
Yeah, I think the rails and the stiles are in good shape. There's some, checking going on, but we can fix that with a two-part epoxy.
Yeah.
When we get to this rail, you can see it's totally disintegrated, falling apart. Mm-hmm. And we will duplicate this piece. I've already got one kind of pre-cut, but I need to cut the bevel on it.
So your approach is to save what you can. If something can't be saved, to replicate it.
Absolutely.
Out of fresh stock, and that's what you're planning to do with that?
Absolutely.
And you said you're going to cut it?
I am. And I can, duplicate all of this stuff here if need be. I have a router here. And it has the mutton bit, and it has the OG and the rabbit. This bit will actually cut the profile, so it'll cut the OG and it'll cut the rabbit.
Oh, interesting, because you need a rabbit on the backside to receive the glass.
That's correct.
Okay, so you've got more material here than you actually need.
Yeah, I do, Kevin. So you can see the OG here, and we have the rabbit here. So this is where the glass will lay in.
Yep.
And when the glass lays in, we'll mechanically fasten it and put in the glazing putty.
Yep.
This will go away. We're going to do our bevel on the back side of it, for the meeting rail.
Let's cut the bevel. All right, let's see how we did here. So there you go. OG rabbit bevel. You are on your way to one piece of one window with another 15 or 20 to go. Is that right?
That's right.
All right. Well, you are the man, Gregor. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project. So be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.